heading out on a bike to hike. It's Easter morning, almost mid-April, but it's still in the 40s this morning. A little chill in the air, but we're not going far. Going to Rolling Hills Park. Down in Gladwyne for a little Easter morning hike. Meeting Jessica, Jermaine, and Willow. It should be a good time. New to me Tiger 800 XC. Got rid of the KTM 990. 990 was an awesome bike. Just a little bit tall. Made it kind of hard for my inseam at times, so this bike is a lot more comfortable for somebody of my stature. Okay, we're going to see how it works out. We're on the first day using it for an official bike to hike.
Good morning, happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Oh.
Yep.
Good morning, happy Easter. We are at Rolling Hill Park in Gladwyne, PA. It's a beautiful day. We have some ruins to our left. I don't know the historical background, but they're there.
You're not going to come check them out?
Oh. Come on. I thought first.
Huh? I hear you. It's a little building.
Willow, what do you think? You like it? You
Could
want to
be
live
your
there?
house. It could be your house,
It's
Willow.
the Easter Bunny's house.
No. There's a silo over here.
Can you imagine flying down this on a bike?
Yeah. I don't think they allow mountain biking in this.
Flying down there it looks.
Hey, take a sign.
It's pretty back here.
Yeah.
It's just cool seeing all the like reviews and stuff. I guess that's the right.
Yeah, that's what I'd call it. I don't know if this is the end of the trail or what.
I think it is. Oh, you know, it seems like it goes left. Why did they used to make homes where it had like a second door on the second level?
Well, I don't know about homes, but if it was a barn, they would be using it to get like clothes, yeah, stuff like that. See what you got. Look,
Oh my god!
she did it.
Can you grab her leash, Jermaine?
Grab her, make sure she doesn't fall.
Yeah,
Be
or,
careful.
yeah, just make sure she doesn't fall too.
Be careful.
Sorry.
Take your time. Watch each step you take. Nobody gets hurt.
Jermaine, ready? Smile. Stand up straight.
Yeah, you pick a good line. That's
How do
all.
we get her down?
The colors in this rock are pretty cool. Careful, Willow. Get down off of that rock. Hey, now you're on ground again.
Don't go back up. Oh my god. Why'd you do that?
Oh, she's gonna wrap around us?
I know, and I'm...
Paper, grain, guns, and powder. Cotton, yarn. I think even wool. Eventually here. Let's go see.
Think there's anything in there?
Nah.
I'm just wondering where she's gonna fight.
Yeah, there's
is
nothing
that,
in here.
Willow?
It's just an old storage cellar or something they had back then, I guess. Definitely as old as the houses and stuff. The old, I like that rock formation on that wall behind the creek there. It's pretty cool.
I feel like I could almost just push it.
It looks like it, yeah. You said though, at least there's no graffiti here. It's
Yeah.
kind of nice. Not much.
A little bit's inevitable, I think. Come. Willow, May, come. You're not listening to that. Come. Or sit.
Good girl.
Come. On your right. Well, oh, yeah. It almost looks like it's like a granite. It's a
Ruin.
pretty smooth rock.
There's the ruins down there we were just at.
Oh yeah. This really is a pretty place.
Yeah, the way they wind you up above them. Like
Yeah. She's right. Sit. What's on your nose?
Got some boogers.
What's on your nose, crazy girl? Finishing up our Easter Day hike. It was only about 2 miles, and Willow got some time in the local dog park. But we saw some sights at Rolling Hill Park. We saw some foliage, and got anything else to add?
It was pretty cool. Up and down.
Yeah.
Nice ruins.
What do you think of the day, Jermaine?
Old
I think it
mill
was a good day.
ruins.
Well, look at
Nice
that dog
breeze.
running.
Yeah, boy.
He's moving. Oh, but happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
This will probably get posted.
See you, Willow. Thanks for hiking with me.
The tail is moving.
Happy Easter.
Accelerated.
See you guys in a little bit.
You know, whenever she sees a motorcycle, she stops and looks and thinks it's you.